Hello, people. Previously, you have learned the cleaning equipment and chemicals required to clean leather upholstery. Now, we will continue to explain about leather cleaning techniques. In general, there are several cleaning techniques depending on the types of stain and the frequency of cleaning. Part 1. Immediate cleaning. Immediate cleaning is a cleaning activity for any spills that must be cleaned right away to prevent moisture from getting absorbed by the leather. Actually, spills shouldn't be a problem if a leather protector has been applied, but there is some case where the protection is starting to wear off. How to do immediate cleaning for spills? You can follow these 3 steps. First, apply moisturizing soap over the surfaces. Second, lather on with a soft cloth. Third, wash the items to remove dirt and grime. Do not overwet the leather and do not rinse after washing. Just buff it with a soft cloth. This allows the moisturizing soap to condition the leather. Part 2. Regular cleaning. Regular cleaning is a cleaning activity that is routinely performed at a certain allocated time. Leather upholstery needs to be cleaned regularly to maintain and preserve its quality. The frequency of cleaning may vary. It can be daily or several times a week. In the event of regular cleaning, there are a few points to note. First, vacuum the furniture once a week using the vacuum soft brush attachment. You may use the flat brush to clean the sidelines of furniture. Second, wipe the leather furniture at the end of a shift, or 2 or 3 times a week with a soft cloth. This will help prevent dust and dirt from building up, especially in the crevices. Part 3. Removing ink stains. In some occasions, ink from pens may spill on leather furniture. Pen ink spills can spoil the furniture's appearance. So, the key is to try to remove ink spills as soon as possible. Without a quick treatment, the ink may stick forever on the leather. To remove ink stains from leather upholstery, there are the steps. First, dip a microfiber cloth into solvent. Second, gently rub the cloth over the ink stains. Third, let the solvent work for approximately 4 hours, then wipe off with a damp cloth. Fourth, air dry the area or use a blow dryer. Fifth, if you still see the stain after drying, apply a thick coat of non-gel, non-oily cuticles, then wipe off with a damp cloth. Part 4. Removing dark stains from light-colored furniture. To remove dark stains from your lightly colored leather upholstery, follow these steps. First, dilute the chemical with water. Second, use a soft cloth to rub the stain. Repeat to rub it for a few times. Third, let the chemical work and leave it for around 10 minutes. Fourth, remove with a damp sponge to wipe the chemical off the surface. Part 5. Annual cleaning. Cleaning leather at least once or twice a year is considered the best method to maintain your pieces. The annual cleaning requires wax as a leather protector. What are the steps? First, Apply wax using a soft cloth all over the leather surfaces. This will help prevent dryness and cracks. Second, follow your cleaning regimen with a leather conditioner or as instructed from the manufacturers. This will make sure that the leather stays supple and doesn't dry out despite the cleaning process. Those are the leather cleaning techniques according to the international standard. On the next video, you will learn the steps to tidy and store cleaning equipment and chemicals after the leather cleaning activity. Nurturing you to grow.